good afternoon. Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. This is Times Now Live Wire. I'm Hina Gambhir. Viewers, you're watching our continuous coverage of what we are witnessing in the national capital. There was a clash between protesters and police officials yesterday that we saw in the heart of the national capital. And what we are seeing right now are protests, in fact, that have been escalated. These protests are being staged by opposition MPs, specifically Congress MPs. What you can see on your screens right now are visuals coming in from the national capital. Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi leading this march of the Congress party against the BJP government, against the Prime Minister, and this stir in fact is underway near Prime Minister's house, 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. Let's straight away go across to my colleague Niyamika, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Niyamika, take us through what's really happening outside Prime Minister's residence.
Ma'am, please, madam.
Well, now the police force has been increased. Even the police vans are also here. Now the Delhi police has started detaining the Congress MPs and the other leaders of the Congress party who were being present here outside the Prime Minister's residence. Currently, it is Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra who are still on a sit-in dharna here at 7 LKM, which is the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But the way in which police is trying to disperse the crowd, I would also like to show you the visuals here. As now the people have been removed from here. They are getting detained by the Delhi police, and I would also like to try to speak to some of the Congress MPs who are being present here, because they are now also being taken out by the Delhi police. They are being removed from this particular location because this is a very high security zone area. In fact, Mr. Srinivas Giri is also joining us. Sir, क्या कहना चाहिए यहाँ से पुलिस हटा रही है? As you have seen that many of the Congress leaders are also currently being present here. The protest is continuously going on. I would also like to show you the visuals here how Mr. Rahul Gandhi is also currently being sitting on a sit-in dharna outside the Prime Minister's residence. He is adamant that he is not going to leave from here because the Congress party is making this allegation that this is a brutality which was being done against the students by the Delhi police yesterday, and this is not acceptable at all, and that is the only reason why they are seeking a reply from the government side. Now,
those are the visuals, live visuals that my colleague Niyamika is bringing for us. These visuals, viewers, are from outside Prime Minister's residence in the national capital. It is a high security zone, and what we are witnessing right now is a sit-in protest that's led by Rahul Gandhi, leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, another Congress MP. And you've got other prominent Congress leaders as well. We saw a short while ago Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge also part of this protest. Former Punjab CM Charanjit Channi was also here. Listen in to what he said. He has been picked up by cops. Okay, we'll get you that reaction from Charanjit Singh Channi of the Congress party in just a bit, but this is what is being witnessed right now outside Prime Minister's residence in the national capital. It is a symbolic protest that's currently underway. Niyamika continues to be with us. Niyamika, over to you.
Well, we have right now being joined by the Congress party's Lok Sabha MP, Mr. Sasikant Senthil. Even seen the visuals as well that how his shirt has also been torn out by the police when they were basically trying to remove all the Congress MPs from this particular location. Let us try to speak to him. Sir, what do you want to say the way in which they are also trying to detain the Congress workers, the Congress leaders who were being on a sit-in dharna here outside PM's residence?
Yeah. No, this is the only method we have left now. Parliament is not functioning. They're not listening. They are beating up children of this country. We have to now show our protest in some way. This is the only way that we can express.
Your shirt has also been torn.
I think that's police job. They do it.
That you have heard. This was Mr. Sasikant Senthil speaking to Times Now, as he has also shown his arm, the way in which his shirt has been torn because of the way in which police is trying to remove the protesters from the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In fact, we have also been joined by Mr. Vijay Vasant, who is the Congress party's MP from Tamil Nadu. Sir, what do you want to say? You are sitting here on a dharna, but the way in which police has now started detaining all the Congress
Now,
MPs.
this has become a habit of the BJP government. Yesterday they have did it to students, today they're doing to the MPs, and I don't know where the democracy is going to end up with. This government is taking everything under the control, and today we are a very peaceful march towards the Prime Minister's house, and we are requesting for the resignation of the Education Minister and the PM to be have a discussion on it. But still, this government is have no point in listening to us or listening to the voice of the people. This is very bad, and under the leadership of Rahulji, we will fight against this system and we will win it.
Okay. So that you have heard that the Congress party is firm that they will fight against this system and they will win because it is Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra who are basically having a sit-in dharna here at the residence of Prime Minister as they are basically trying to give out this message that the Congress party is standing with the students of this country. The way in which brutality was being done by the Delhi police, that is unacceptable at all. They had also sought a reply from the government side in the parliament today. They have also given adjournment motion notices to raise a demand that there should be a proper discussion which needs to be done in the parliament regarding this entire matter. But now they are saying that there is no choice which is left with them, and that is the only reason why this decision has been taken, that all the Congress leaders, senior leaders...
See in these visuals, almost all top leaders of the Congress party are part of this symbolic protest. This protest in front of Prime Minister Modi's residence. We just saw visuals of Jairam Ramesh as well, and now this is a sit-in dharna that's currently happening outside Prime Minister's residence. Let's go across to my colleague Bhavtosh as well, joining us live right now for more on this. Bhavtosh, yesterday we saw a clash between protesters and police. Right now also police presence, I believe, has been increased because this is a high security zone.
Yes, Hina. In fact, if I can ask my VJ Tanveer to cut to the visuals, road leading towards 7 RCR on the backside of 7 LKM have completely been blocked by the Delhi police. I can just show you the visuals. Various units of the Delhi police as well as vans of the Delhi police have arrived here. The police was completely caught off guard, one can say. This is a high security zone, and you can see that as soon as this presence was in fact noticed by the police arrived here. In fact, even on other days or occasion, there is a very heavy presence of the police. We are towards the backside of 7 LKM. And as soon as Rahul Gandhi, along with other senior Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and other leaders arrived here, there was in fact a commotion. Mr. Masood, if I can speak to you, this was a protest that happened. Rahul Gandhi has said that he has no option but to carry out a protest at outside PM's residence.
इसके अलावा क्या रास्ता बचा है हमारे पास? कोई सुनने को तैयार नहीं है।
अगर आप कुछ और बोलना चाहिए इसके बारे में?
नहीं, इसके अलावा कोई रास्ता नहीं बचा। हमारे नेता बैठे हुए हैं अभी। हम लोग अभी जब तक उनका फैसला होगा तब तक बैठे रहेंगे।
तो इस प्रोटेस्ट से आप क्या अचीव करना चाहते हैं?
नहीं, ये हम लोग लगातार बोल रहे हैं। कोई तरीका सुनने का नहीं समझने में आ रहा है। ये लोग किसी तरह से समझ पाए। ये लोग सुनने को तैयार नहीं
करना चाहते हैं इस प्रोटेस्ट से? That was Imran Masood. He has said कि हमारे पास अब कोई ऑप्शन नहीं बचे हैं ये प्रोटेस्ट करने के अलावा. He has said that they have no option left but to carry out this protest. In fact, if I can again Hina show you where this protest is actually happening. This is the backside or the backside of 7 LKM. You can see various. In fact, most of the SHOs of Delhi police have arrived here, and I can just go and show you. It could be possible that in next few minutes or less than an hour, Rahul Gandhi will be picked up, and they have in fact the units of Delhi police, including all special commissioners, have arrived here. And senior Congress leaders have also gathered here, and you can just see them arriving here, and vehicles have also came here, and it could be possible that Rahul Gandhi will be taken into preventive custody.
Okay, stay on with us, Bhavtosh. Let me once again go back to my colleague Niyamika, who also continues to be present at the protest site right now. Niyamika, over to you. What exactly is it that the Congress party is demanding? And also I want to understand from you, is it just the Congress party or do we have netas from other political parties as well? Okay, I think there's some problem with the connection. We'll try and reconnect with Niyamika in just a bit. Let me also tell you, viewers, a little bit about the post that was put out by Rahul Gandhi, leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha. In fact, he had said on X that we've marched to Prime Minister's house to demand answers from him for the brutalities against young students yesterday. The government doesn't want to take any accountability or doesn't want to have a debate on it in Parliament. Let's go back to Niyamika and Bhavtosh bringing us live updates from outside Prime Minister's residence. Niyamika, over to you. Tell us what's happening. What exactly is it that Congress netas are demanding?
This is basically a protest which is being done by all the senior leaders of the Congress party, be it the MPs or even the chief ministers are also being present here. I would also like to show you the visuals here as of right now. We are trying to get closer to this particular area where all of these MPs are currently having a sit-in protest outside the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Basically, the way in which they are protesting is they are having their hands are tied. They are basically giving out this message that the government is not letting them to do anything. They are not ready to have a conversation have a discussion within the parliament. That was the demand which was being raised by all the opposition leaders in the morning as well. In fact, we have also been joined by the senior Karnataka Congress leader, Mr. K.S. Muniyappa. Sir, what do you want to say about this protest as all the Congress leaders are currently having a sit-in dharna here, sir? Sir, anything you want to say? Rahul Gandhi ji, Priyanka Gandhi ji is currently having this dharna. What message do you want to give, sir?
It is democracy, daylight murder of democracy. The students are suffering. They are giving their lives. They are not properly maintained exams. Now the Minister Pradhan has to resign and the Prime Minister has to come have a talk with the leader of the opposition to solve the problem of the students. Otherwise, the strike will go on till that time.
Thank you so much, sir. So that was Mr. K.S. Muniyappa, as he has made it very clear that the Prime Minister have to have a conversation with Rahul Gandhi, who is the leader of opposition, because the democracy is at the stake. The way in which this protest, which the youth of this country had done yesterday, the kind of brutality, the alleged brutality which the Congress party is, questioning the government upon it. They are basically stating that it is the responsibility of the government of India, and specifically Prime Minister Narendra Modi, to talk to the leader of opposition first, and also to seek the resignation of the Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. And that is the only reason why all of these leaders are currently holding this protest just outside the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. They all are sitting at the gate of the residence of Prime Minister with their hands tied, as they are basically stating that this is the current situation of the opposition right now, because they are not being able to do anything. The government is not ready to have a discussion in the parliament. They are not letting the opposition speak in the parliament, and that is the only reason why no other choice has left with them but to sit on a dharna just outside the residence of Prime Minister.
Right. Also, Niyamika, I want to understand from you, is it just the leaders from Congress party who are holding this protest, or do we have leaders from other political parties as well? And second, Imran Masood was speaking with my colleague Bhavtosh just now. Imran Masood said this is the only method that's left now. The point is, monsoon session of Parliament is underway. The opposition can actually raise the concerns there, but what we only see happening inside the Parliament is chaos and sloganeering, and the House gets adjourned.
Well, yes, indeed. The messaging which the Congress party is trying to do by their hands being tied here is that the opposition has no choice left with them, and that is the only reason why they are having this protest. It is only
Where we will.
But in fact, the chief ministers are also there along with the Congress. Along with the Congress party's top leadership, be it Rahul Gandhi or Priyanka Gandhi Vatra, all of them are sitting here currently, along with the other MPs of the Congress and even the chief ministers and the state ministers. All of these leaders are currently having this protest here just outside the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and they are basically stating that till the time the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan is not going to be sought by the Prime Minister, till the time they will continue with this protest, because this is something which is related to the future of this country. This is something which is related to the youth of this country. country, and it is very much necessary to listen to the voices of the youth. It is not right the way in which the Delhi police had done a lathi charge and even used the tear gas shells against the protesting youth, and that is the only reason why now the opposition and specifically the Congress party is trying to give out this message that they are standing with them. They are with the youth of this country. They are holding this protest, as you can see in the visuals as well, that Rahul Gandhi is still here. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is still here along with the other MPs of the Congress party, and they are saying that firstly the Prime Minister must apologize. This is the statement which was being given by Rahul Gandhi today in the Parliament while speaking to media. He has stated it very clearly that the kind of brutality which was being shown by the Delhi police at that point in time, the Prime Minister should have apologized over this entire matter, and that is the reason why they have taken this decision to sit here just outside the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Right. Stay on with us, Niyamika. Sabyasachi also joins us live right now for more on this. But before that, let's also get you a reaction that we've got from the Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju. And in the morning only, Kiren Rijiju told us about what the Prime Minister mentioned during the NDA Parliamentary Party meeting about how the government stands firmly with the youth of this country. Listen in.
नीट के एग्जाम के बारे में आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा है कि जब का खबर आए तुरंत सरकार ने कार्रवाई किया और 13 लोगों को अरेस्ट करके जेल में डाल दिया गया है। उनका भविष्य को नुकसान ना हो इसलिए री एग्जामिनेशन नीट का प्राथमिकता दिया गया। री एग्जामिनेशन को सक्सेसफुली सफलतापूर्वक कंडक्ट किया गया। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने ये अपील भी किया है कि उनका जो सजा है उसको सख्ती से सख्ती सजा कैसे दिया जाए उसमें सारा टॉप क्लास के वकील लोग भी साथ दें। विपक्ष के साथियों से भी हम अनुरोध करते हैं कि हम मतभेद हो सकते हैं अलग अलग पार्टियों का, लेकिन संसद देश के लिए, देश का भविष्य के लिए, युवाओं के लिए काम करे।
Let's now go across to my colleague Sabyasachi as well for more on this. Sabyasachi, just earlier today, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju spoke about what the government plans to do. Imran Masood is speaking.
और ये क्या गए हैं उसके अलावा?
मतलब यहाँ क्यों आना पड़ रहा है आपको?
और कहीं सुनाएंगे बात? पार्लियामेंट में भी सुनने को तैयार नहीं है, वहाँ कहाँ सुन रहे हैं?
This is the reaction from Congress MP Imran Masood, who earlier also spoke exclusively to my colleague Bhavtosh, and he said that this is the only option that's left now for the opposition to raise the issues because the parliament is not functioning, and what we are seeing right now is sit-in dharna outside Prime Minister's residence. Let's go back to Sabyasachi for more on this. Sabyasachi, now this is happening just on the day we heard from Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju, who said that Prime Minister Modi has given a message to all the MPs of NDA specifically to carry out this outreach program for confidence building as far as the youth of this country is concerned.
Oh, well, that's right. See, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Mr. Kiren Rijiju had said here I'm being joined. The Parliamentary Affairs Minister, Mr. Kiren Rijiju, had pointed out this fact that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given an important message to the BJP MPs as well as the NDA leaders for Jan Sampark and to reach out to the citizens and to put across this message that the NDA is working in favor of the youth, is working in favor of the students. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi also highlighted that in the past, also in the previous governments as well, there has been incident of paper leak, but at that particular time there wasn't any accountability. People were not arrested, but under this regime severe action has been taken so far.
Sabyasachi, I'm interrupting you there. Request you to please stay on with us. I'll come back to you in just a bit. We have RP Singh of the BJP joining us on the broadcast as well. Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. Your first reaction to the dramatic visuals we're getting from outside Prime Minister's residence in the national capital, a sit-in dharna being led by Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi against the BJP on the issue of paper leaks. Mr. RP Singh? Okay, we'll try and connect with him again. Let's meanwhile go back to my colleagues who are tracking the developments closely from the national capital. We have Bhavtosh, Niyamika as well as Sabyasachi live with us.
Accountability and responsibility for the paper leak, and so much of youngsters and students are being, they were yesterday chased out using tear gas, and today also both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha was continuously adjourned. So there is no accountability. So we are asking for responsibility and accountability from the ministers, and they are completely dumb. Quiet. So that is why under the leadership of Kharge ji, Rahul ji and Priyanka ji, we all came here, and we are sitting here till the Prime Minister comes out and gives us a proper reply. I think we will not move from this particular place.
You were having your hands tied. What is the reason behind it? What message do you
We wanted to tie ourselves with the other members of the parliament from the party and ensure that we are not moved out individually. But that is a symbolic representation of that.
So that you have heard, he is the Rajya Sabha MP of the Congress party from the state of Tamil Nadu, Mr. Christopher Tilak. He just had a scuffle broke out with the Delhi police because the way in which Delhi police was trying to detain the Congress workers and the leaders here, the Congress party is basically stating that till the time Prime Minister Narendra Modi will come out and speak to the leader of opposition, they are going to continue with this protest. So that is the demand which they are raising right now. They are basically stating that they don't have any other option left but to sit here at a dharna because this is something which is related to the future of this country. The way in which the students have got beaten up, that is not acceptable at all, and that is the only reason why all of these Congress MPs are also having this protest just outside the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In fact, we have also been joined by the Congress Party's Rajya Sabha MP with us. Sir, जिस तरीके से आप लोगों का यहाँ पर प्रदर्शन चल रहा है, क्या लगता है आपको कर्मवीर सर की यहाँ प्राइम मिनिस्टर सर आप लोगों की बात सुनेंगे, सरकार आपकी बात सुनेगी?
मैडम, संसद में कोई बोलना नहीं दे रहा, जिस बात के लिए देश के संविधान में ये प्रावधान किया था कि देश की समस्याएं संसद में जो न एग्जामिन होंगी, संसद में चर्चाएं होंगी, संसद में तो माइक बंद कर देते हैं, तो क्या बचा? कल जिस प्रकार से लाखों बच्चों को अपने अधिकार मांगने के लिए, रोजगार मांगने के लिए लोग बच्चे आए थे दिल्ली में, प्रधानमंत्री अमित शाह से आज डिक्टेटरशिप है, भारत का संविधान देश में नहीं बचा है, आज देश गुलामी की तरफ जा रहा है। इसलिए फर्ज बनता है इस देश के सभी लोगों का, सभी मेंबर पार्लियामेंट की तो ड्यूटी बनती है, इस देश को बचाना है, तो हमें अब सड़कों पर आना पड़ेगा। अब पूरी
Right. So what you can see, viewers, on your screens are Congress netas being picked up. Bhavtosh, over to you. Tell us what's happening.
Well, Hina, these are live visuals. Congress leaders, yes, Congress leaders are being picked up. We will try to speak some of them. What the police have said that they have violated Section 163 of
धक्का दोगे तुम? धक्का दोगे? बच्चों को मारते हो? नहीं, छोटे बच्चों पे हाथ उठाते हो? क्यों नहीं जाने देंगे भाई? क्यों नहीं जाने देंगे? ये अत्याचार आप लोग अपने
that he is being, this is cruelty, and that we have a right to go inside the residence of the parliament, inside the prime minister, but he's been denied.
गिरफ्तार करती है, मारपीट करती है, यह सरकार अहंकार में पागल है।
He has said that this government has completely lost it. He has further said that this government needs to listen to students, and he has further said they have right to go inside the Prime Minister's residence. Dramatic visuals happened with Rahul Gandhi and other Congress leaders trying to go inside the Prime Minister's residence, and most of them have been detained. In fact, there are other buses that have arrived, and most of these leaders will be detained, and they have, in fact, what the police have said, that they have violated BNS Section 163 We did try speaking to Imran Masood as well as Mr. Jha, and they have said they have no option but to carry out such a protest. What would be the reaction of BJP? One has to wait and see. But for nearly 1.5 hours, we saw very dramatic turn of leaders.
Absolutely dramatic visuals emerging from the national capital. Let me also quickly go across to my colleague Niyamika. She has a Congress MP with her.
Well, yes, indeed, Mr. Imran.
सर आप क्या कहेंगे? आप लोग संसद में आपकी आवाज उठाते हैं। आज पहली बार हम देख रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री आवास का घेराव विपक्ष के नेता ही कर रहे हैं। किस तरीके से क्या बजट?
हमारी मांग सीधी मांग है, साफ सी मांग है। हमारे नेता प्रतिपक्ष लोकसभा में ने इस मांग की है, नेता प्रतिपक्ष राज्यसभा में ये मांग की है। गृह मंत्री आए, दोनों सदनों में बयान दें, उस पर चर्चा हो। जिस तरीके से हमारे लोकतंत्र और हमारे संविधान पर हत्या हो रही है, जो हमारे युवाओं पर अत्याचार हो रहे हैं, उनके भविष्य पर अंधेरा छाया हुआ है, उस पर एक बयान दें। और हमारे शिक्षा मंत्री धर्मेंद्र प्रधान की इस्तीफे की मांग हम 20 करीब 45 दिन से कर रहे हैं।
सर कई सालों के पिछले लोकतंत्र में
अभी रुक जाइए।
कल जो दिल्ली में हाल था, कल जिस तरह से ऑर्गेनिक एक मूवमेंट चला था, एक प्रोटेस्ट हुआ था, जिस तरह से देश भर से छात्र दिल्ली पहुंचे थे, उनके साथ जो व्यवहार किया गया, जिनको लाठी बरसाए गए, वाटर कैनन यूज किया गया, उनके खिलाफ जो है वो टीयर गैसेस यूज किया गया, घायल हुए हैं, हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड हैं, इसके बारे में बात करने के लिए हमारे दोनों नेता राहुल गांधी जी और मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे साहब राज्यसभा लोकसभा में खड़े रहे बात करने के लिए। बात करने नहीं दिया गया, किसी भी एमपी को बात करने नहीं दिया गया, उनके माइक स्विच ऑफ कर देते हैं। तो हम क्या करें? प्रधानमंत्री पार्लियामेंट आते नहीं है, वो सुनते नहीं है, तो ये सुनवाई होना पड़ेगा। जो हेड ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट कौन है? प्रधानमंत्री। तो इसीलिए विपक्ष के
रिपीट मत करो, आपकी फेलियर थी। नीट एग्जाम का पेपर लीक होना आपकी कमजोरी और नालायकपन थी, और आप बच्चों को शिक्षित खड़ा करने के बारे में सुरक्षित नहीं रखे, लड़कियों को मारे,
और कांग्रेस के नेता यहाँ जमा होंगे, आप क्या स्ट्रैटेजी है, क्या डिमांड?
So that was a reaction we got from several leaders of the Congress party. Towards the end, we heard from Renuka Chaudhary of the Congress party as well, saying that paper leak was actually a failure of this government, and Congress party is of the view that they are not being given the right platform in Parliament, and that's the reason why this protest is right now happening outside Prime Minister's residence. Let me quickly go back to my colleagues. We have Niyamika, Bhavtosh as well as Sabyasachi live with us. Sabyasachi, any word from the BJP yet on what is really happening outside Prime Minister's residence?
See, the BJP has not officially reacted, but let me just show you around the kind of deployment that could be seen near Prime Minister's residence, and the rapid action forces also has been deployed out here in large numbers, and the detention process has also begun. We saw that Congress leader Kanhaiya Kumar was detained by the Delhi police, and shortly before that we were speaking to Congress leader Mr. Pranab Jha, and now he pointed out that our demands are very much clear and simple. We want the resignation of Education Minister Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, and somewhere the central government has to take accountability. They cannot run from it, and they had made it one thing extremely clear, that they won't let the House function, and they have questioned the Parliament. They have said that the Parliament is there to discuss the issues which are extremely concerning to the citizens of India, and at this particular time the NEET issue, the CBSE issue, the entire education system is the matter of concerning, and that should take the center stage in the Parliament. If it's not happening, then what is Parliament for, is what the Congress party highlighted. Now, meanwhile, several of the leaders are still sitting. We are trying to speak to several of these leaders to get their reaction, but they have made it very extremely clear that they will not leave until and unless the resignation comes in of Union Minister Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan. Only then they will leave their agitation in front of Prime Minister's residence. Back to you.
Clearly, situation situation is now spiraling out of control, and now several Congress netas have been picked up as well by the police officials present there. Security has been beefed up as well. This is a high security zone. Bhavtosh and Niyamika also continue to be with us at this point in time. Bhavtosh, can you help us understand a little bit about the security presence in this particular area? And earlier you were telling us that they are also attempting to go inside Prime Minister's residence.
Yes, sir. That would have been highly impossible. This is the backside of Prime Minister's residence, 7 Elkem. This is, in fact, this is very far from the actual residence, and they tried having a dharna here. As soon as that happened, the police stopped them. In fact, there is another leader who is trying to come, or at least is being detained. We'll just see, we'll cut to the visual, and that is, I think, PMO, MOS PMO who has come here.
सर बता दीजिए, 2 लाइन बताइए
सर। PMO has arrived here. Jitendra Singh, MOS PMO, has come here. In fact, that could be a possibility of there is some kind of dialogue that might happen between the leader of opposition and Rahul Gandhi, leader of opposition. First time something like this has happened, even as Rahul Gandhi is trying to hold a dharna outside PMO's residence. Jitendra Singh, if I can just stay on the visual, he has come here and he's trying to convince Rahul Gandhi. We can just stay on the visuals, but we did see MOS PMO Jitendra Singh coming here and trying to enter inside. He was with his security personnel, and just dramatic turn of events with MOS PMO Jitendra Singh going inside. It could be possible that he wants to speak to Rahul Gandhi and others. So a few of Congress men, workers have been detained, including Kanhaiya Kumar. Large number of police personnel have arrived here, and you can see the DC.
Interesting what you're telling us. MOS PMO Dr. Jitendra Singh has also reached the spot. Has he come to speak with the Congress netas, the MPs who are holding this sit-in dharna outside Prime Minister's residence? We do not know, but that's what it looks like right now. There is heavy deployment of police officials as well around him and in this particular area. Bhavtosh, stay on with us. Let me quickly go across to Niyamika as well. Niyamika, can you see Dr. Jitendra Singh in your frame? Okay, Sabyasachi, can you see Dr. Jitendra Singh in your frame around you? What's really happening there?
Short look.
See, right now some of them are being detained. I will try to request my camera person just to move forward, and if at all it's possible, just to show visuals of Dr. Jitendra Singh. You can see the police presence have increased here massively. It is extremely difficult to move around, and we just saw that MOS PMO Dr. Jitendra Singh has reached near the back gate of Prime Minister residence, and the discussions are going on now. This is a very significant move because the MOS PMO Dr. Jitendra Singh is here himself.
Okay, there we are getting the first set of visuals, Sabyasachi, of that conversation that's happening between MOS PMO Dr. Jitendra Singh and leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi. Exclusive visuals coming in. First set of visuals of this conversation that's happening between both these leaders. Has he come to, speak with the opposition leaders? Has he come to speak with Rahul Gandhi and probably to tell them that, maybe let's have the discussion in the parliament? We don't know. But this is a very interesting attempt being made by the government to control the situation, to also perhaps, convince the Congress netas who are here protesting outside Prime Minister's residence, to convince them to end their protest, end their sit-in dharna, because clearly this is a high-profile zone that we are talking about in the national capital. First set of visuals coming in of this conversation that's currently happening between MOS PMO Dr. Jitendra Singh and leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi. Bhavtosh, you got us the first visual of Dr. Jitendra Singh, and now we're getting visuals of him having a conversation with Rahul Gandhi. Times Now getting exclusive visuals of this conversation first on Times Now.
Yes, Sina, in fact, dramatic turn of events since we came here and started reporting. Rahul Gandhi in the morning went and met students who were injured, and then Rahul Gandhi came here and carried out a dharna. Congress leaders spoke to Times Now. They said they had no option but to carry out such a protest, whether it's dramatic or whether it's a publicity stunt. We can take a call on that leader. But just 10 minutes back, MOS PMO Jitendra Singh came here. In fact, there were police personnel who were here, and at least from this side onward, he came here and then came and met Rahul Gandhi. Now, Rahul Gandhi is there where dharna is taking place. In fact, the police personnel never detained him, which was very surprising and interesting.
Right.
And he was not detained. Only few Congress workers or a spokesperson, Kanhaiya Kumar, was detained.
Right.
And since then, this talk is going on. What will happen next is still not very clear. Rahul Gandhi's security personnel from CRPF are still standing here. What will happen and whether this talks will fructify is something only time will tell.
Right, but very interesting turn of events there. You've got first visuals of this conversation that's currently happening between Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, and MOS PMO, Dr. Jitendra Singh. Bhavtosh, stay on with us. Sabyasachi, over to you. What more details can you share with us?
ये उसके जो पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन में जिस पर घोटाले आए हैं और उनको बनाया गया, तो पूरी के पूरी कहता मैं कुएं में ही भंग पड़ी हुई है। हमारे पास इनके सदन के वो नेता है, उनके पास आने के अलावा हमारे पास कोई उपाय नहीं है। लगातार 2 सालों से राहुल गांधी जी सदन के अंदर सदन के बाहर भी अपनी बातों को रख रहे हैं, लेकिन ये गूंगी, बहरी और डहरी और सहमी हुई सरकार है। हमारे पास इसके अलावा कोई विकल्प नहीं है।
सर, हमने कभी देखा नहीं है कि लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन खुद पीएम के घर के बाहर प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं।
जब हमारे पास कोई विकल्प नहीं होता है तो हम संवैधानिक तरीके से अपनी बातों को यहां तक पहुंचाने के लिए हम लोग आए हुए हैं, और हम ये अपेक्षा करते हैं कि डरी हुई, सहमी हुई और अपनी जिम्मेदारी से भागने वाले प्रधानमंत्री अब तो चेते, अब तो जवाब दे और युवाओं के जो उनका भविष्य है उसका अंधकार ना बनाए।
So there you go. That was a member of parliament from Jharkhand, Mr. Sukhdev Bhagat, saying that there is no option. This has to be done. In fact, I also asked him regarding the MOS PMO, Dr. Jitendra Singh himself coming out here. He's saying that the BJP does not have any option but to listen to what the leader of opposition or the Congress party is demanding. So definitely, as far as the Congress party is concerned, what they are hinting that this is a pressure tactics from the Congress party to demand from the central government the resignation of Union Education Minister, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan. Back to you.
Right. So clearly this seems like a pressure tactic, as you said, by the Congress party, because Congress party wants the paper leak issue as well to be discussed in the parliament, but nothing of that sort has really happened because the houses get adjourned because of sloganeering, ruckus, etc. that is going on. Second day in a row today, we saw both houses getting adjourned very, very quickly without hardly any business really, taking place in the houses. Niyamika also is live with us right now. Niyamika, now I don't remember any protest having a twist like this, wherein you've got somebody like MOS PMO arriving himself and having a conversation with the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha. This is unprecedented.
Well, yes, firstly, I would like to show you the visuals here, as right now the MOS PMO is currently being present here. He is having a conversation with the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. That was basically the demand which was being raised by the Congress party for this particular protest, as they were saying that the Prime Minister should first have a conversation with the leader of opposition, because it is the right of the opposition parties to get to know that what actually has happened, what was being discussed in the yesterday's meeting, what sort of action is going to be taken by the government of India, the way in which the youth of this country is having this protest. They are seeking a resignation on the part of Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan. All of these issues were being raised by the Congress party in particular, and I would also like to ask my camera person to pan the camera and show you the kind of police deployment which is being done here, as this is basically the high security area. All of these MPs, the senior leaders of the Congress party, have been surrounded by the police personnel here, as they are basically, the kind of consultation which is being done with the MOS PMO, that basically shows that a dialogue is being done so that everything gets sorted out, because the way in which this protest is happening, all the top leaders, including the chief ministers, the member of parliament, all of them are currently being present here. Rahul Gandhi, as well as Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, both the leaders are also, being here holding this particular protest, because they are saying that the opposition is not being able to speak within the house. They are continuously demanding a discussion within the Lok Sabha as well as in Rajya Sabha, but that was not being accepted by the government, and that is the only reason why they had no choice left but to sit here on a dharna outside the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Right. Stay on with us, Niyamika. Let me quickly go across to Bhavtosh as well for more on this. Bhavtosh, are Congress Netas still being picked up even as this conversation is underway between Dr. Jitendra Singh and Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi?
Well, not now. At least there was an attempt after Kanhaiya Kumar was picked up, but it appears that as soon as the Minister of PMO, MOS PMO had arrived here, there is a direction that has been given to Delhi police not to use force, not to repeat what had happened earlier, that none of the Congress workers would be picked up, and that maintain restraint. That was in fact missing last time around, at least yesterday, and police as well as the government had received flack for that. This time around, if you can see a barricade, or at least the police presence is here, but Congress workers as of now are not being removed from here. Maybe if this protest continues even after MOS PMO leaves from here, maybe then they might be detained, but as of now the talks are going on. In fact, Jairam Ramesh is also present here, Rahul Gandhi is present here, and other leaders are present here, but the police is not using force. Dramatic turn of events, but as you asked whether Congress leaders have been picked up, any worker has been picked up, there was an attempt by police to pick few of them, but as soon as Jitendra Singh came here, there was a direction, at least direction was given not to remove them. The protest continues even as Rahul Gandhi speaks to Jitendra Singh.
Right. Bhavtosh, stay on with us. Sabyasachi, it will be interesting to see whether the MOS PMO, Dr. Jitendra Singh, will be able to convince the Congress party to end their dharna outside Prime Minister's residence.
Well, absolutely. I'll request my camera person just to show you the visuals. You can see the large gathering of the Delhi police. Right at the center is where the MOS PMO, Dr. Jitendra Singh, is having a discussion with Leader of Opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Now, this would be extremely make or break point because if Dr. Jitendra Singh manages to convince Leader of Opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, to end this agitation outside PM's residence and to convince him that the center is ready to hold discussion at the floor of the house. So that could be one of the points that Dr. Jitendra Singh could bring across Leader of Opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. But it is extremely interesting turn of events that we are currently seeing, that the MOS PMO himself is here convincing the Leader of Opposition to end his protest so that the discussion can take place in the floor of the house. Remember, this was the demand of the Leader of Opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, when there was this meeting of the opposition leaders at the chamber of Lok Sabha Speaker Mr. Om Birla. So this will be extremely interesting. But the Congress also very much made it clear that they are not going to end their agitation until they see the resignation of Union Minister Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan.
Right. Let's also go across to my colleague Niyamika once again. Niyamika, the number of leaders who are present for this dharna from the Congress party clearly shows that it was well planned, isn't it? It doesn't look like a spontaneous protest by the party.
Well, yes, indeed, Hina. Just ahead of this particular protest, all of these leaders had gone to 10 Rajaji Marg to celebrate the birthday of Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge. All the senior leaders, the member of parliament as well as the chief ministers, all of them were there for the birthday celebration. But in that particular meetup, it was being decided that this is high time that the Congress party should show the solidarity with the students, and that is the only reason why all of them have come here to hold this sit-in dharma. But firstly, I would also like to show you the visuals here, the kind of police deployment which has been increased here at the outside the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. You can see the visuals that how these are the human chains which are being made by the Delhi police. I would also like to ask my camera person to pan to that these persons who have surrounded the Congress MPs who are having this sit-in dharna. There is this human chain, 3-layer human chain which is being formed by these the kind of protesters who are being holding who are sitting here outside the residence.
Right.
This protest shouldn't turn violent, and that is the only reason why all
Niyamika, stay on with us. Let me go across to Sabyasachi as well for more on this. Sabyasachi, yesterday also we saw a clash between protesters and police. At that time we had Union Minister JP Nadda having a conversation with representatives of CJP, and today the government has sent MOS PMO Dr. Jitendra Singh to have a conversation with the protesting Congress netas.
They are taking chances with children's lives. They're unleashing violence. So you will meet the response. LOP has done an amazing thing.
Ma'am, Dr. Jitendra Singh, who is the MOS PMO, is also here. He's speaking to convince Mr. Rahul Gandhi as well.
Well, let him try.
So that was Renuka Chaudhary. Now she says that everything happens for the first time. Now this would be the first time that the leader of opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, is protesting in front of the Prime Minister's residence. Now she says that everything happens for the first time. Now this is for the first time that it is happening in this country.
Right. Bhavtosh, even as both leaders are having this conversation, the slogans by other netas are also continuing.
Yes, Hina, the sloganeering is going on. If I can show you, Rahul Gandhi's security team is also here. They are present here. In fact, they are waiting what will happen next as far as the turn of events are concerned. If I can show you where our other colleagues are concerned, that's where the meeting is going on. So there is a lot of turn of events that are happening. There are also police buses that are present here. If at all these talks fail, but the police have decided to restrain themselves, or at least some directions have been given, and senior police officers from New Delhi as well as special CPs have also gathered here. Somewhere it appears that what happened yesterday is something that has in fact in many ways have also impacted the government, because there is no doubt that students have not been injured. Though there are visuals that we have played where protesters have also pelted stones, in which police personnel have also been injured. FIRs have been filed, but what is happening here?
But you know, we'll have to see, Bhavtosh, what eventually happens after this outreach by the government. Also, Union Home Secretary Govind Mohan is with MOS Jitendra Singh, Dr. Jitendra Singh, who has come to the protest site outside Prime Minister's residence to have a conversation with Rahul Gandhi and other leaders of the Congress party. That's still going on. Simultaneously, sloganeering is also continuing. We'll see what really comes out. But for now, slipping into a very, very short break. Coming back with lots more. Stay with us.